Yes, it is! My abnormally large ass is stuck! Amy, you're ridiculous. She's so stuck! Okay, I made it! Now get out! You Hobie!
Don't forget to have neighbor complaints.
Oh, that's okay, because I have 3 cats on this road. I don't really care by now.
Look what I got!
I've gotten over
Look
my
what I
tears.
got! Okay.
You know what my
Wow. Hey, ho! That's what I say. We fit the tall person! Oh, hell.
Shut up, man.
You are a lard.
Hey, boy.
Eat one.
I can see my
Okay, my ass hurts because I just sat on your seatbelt thing.
Getting in here too?
No.
No.
That'd be gangster.